Okay, so EIGRP. So what is the full form of EIGRP? That stands for Enhanced, okay, Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. So EIGRP से पहले एक protocol था IGRP, but this IGRP is no longer used because this is obsolete. Okay, so Cisco made first IGRP, which is Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, and after some time they released the Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. This is a derivative of interior gateway protocol. So this is the new version, and it support VLSM, it supports subnetting. And this EIGRP also support high speed interfaces, like high speed interface metrics, because every protocol calculate the metrics, right? So remember, like if you studied about RIP, so what is the metric of RIP? Metric is hop count. Like RIP always check the hop count, that how many routers are coming in my way. Okay, so tell me, like if you have studied RIP, suppose this is one router. Okay, so this is my destination network, like 10.x.x.x suppose, and there is one another path. Okay, so this is 1 GB path. I'm talking about RIP right now. The below links are 10 GB. So tell me, if you are using RIP, which path this router will follow if you are using RIP? The first path A or path B? In the case of RIP protocol, so RIP only checks the hop count. So you can see, if we go from path A, the first and 2, the hop count is 2. The path A has a hop count of 2. तो दो राउटर बीच में आ रहे हैं अगर A path से जाएंगे. Okay, but if we go from the B path, the hop count is like 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. So the hop count is 4. So the RIP routing protocol is going to use this as the best path. So this is why we do not use RIP in industries, because RIP is not an intelligent protocol. RIP do not check bandwidth. Okay, maybe someone will ask you, maybe in interviews, that why we do not use RIP. Obviously, we can only use maximum up to 16 routers in RIP protocol, but another disadvantage is that we can't check the bandwidth. RIP do not check bandwidth, it checks the hop count only. But when we talk about EIGRP or OSPF, though both protocols check the bandwidth. Okay, so if you use EIGRP, tell me which path we will follow. अगर हम यहाँ पे EIGRP configure कर दें, instead of RIP, if we will use EIGRP, which path will be used? Then B path will be used. B path will be used because B path has 10 GB links and the A path has only 1 GB links. And if you use OSPF also, which path will be considered? OSPF use करेंगे तो भी कौन सा path use होगा? So when you will use EIGRP OSPF, the path B will be the best path, A is not the best path. So when we talk about EIGRP metric, okay, so EIGRP, like in EIGRP, we can support up to 255 routers. Okay, so we can use up to 255 hops, but in hops means devices, right? So we can go up to 255. So the default value is 100. By increasing that number, you can go up to 255.